Did you know that the Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth and can even be seen from space? Stretching over 2,300 kilometres along the Queensland coast, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to over 1,500 species of fish and around 400 species of coral. What's fascinating is that the reef isn't just one continuous formation, it's made up of nearly 3,000 individual reefs and 900 islands. It also hosts the world's largest dugong population and 6 of the 7 species of marine turtles. Surprisingly, some parts of the reef are millions of years old, thriving through dramatic changes in sea levels and climate. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.